Sabbath candles and street corner choirs, stories braided in Creole and prayer, freedom of fire that taught the world to sing, music in the footsteps, faith in the windows, a name that outlives storms, keeps beating in our chests. Haiti will rise, Haiti will rise, hands open wide, light in our eyes, from ashes to gardens, from night into light, say it together. Haiti will rise, 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 Haiti will rise. Morning lines for water, mothers share the shade, fathers guard the doorway till the children fall asleep. News on the radio, prayers in the courtyard,